Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick video on some brake maintenance, specifically how to grease your brake caliper pins. And this is a pretty similar process on all vehicles with sliding brake calipers, but always check your service manual for torque specs and pin orientation. Now, this isn't meant to be a full brake job. Like I said, I just want to kind of jump in mid-process and show you what I do, because one of the most overlooked brake maintenance steps is greasing the caliper pins. And if they dry out or wear out, they can stick and cause you to get uneven wear, dragging, or noise. So the first step is to remove the caliper by removing these bolts. So now that we've unscrewed this, one of the things that you can do, and probably a good recommendation to do, is on, again, this car is new to us, and one of the things it's good to check is the grease in these boots. These brakes are really not good, and I'm not exactly sure what's going on with them. But again, I think it's the rotors, but we're gonna just really check into everything. And so one of the things while you're unscrewing this bolt, what you can do is you can push on it, and if you see this boot, this should push in and out and easily as you do that. But as you can see, it's really difficult to do. So we're gonna show you how to clean all of this out to make sure and put new grease in and make sure that this slides better. So with the caliper out of the way, now we're going to take the bolts off of the backside of the caliper, or the bracket that's holding it onto the hub. And so once we take those bolts off, then we'll get it over to the workbench, and I'll speed through this so we can get to the real part. But this is what I was talking about. See, you should be able to push and pull that in and out really good, really easy. It should be really easy to do this, and it's not. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to pull this pin out, and we'll pull the boot off as well, and we'll clean that pin and re-lube it with some caliper grease. So what we're going to do to pull these out is we're going to pull on them and then pull the boot and pull it off of there's a little ridge in the bolt, and we're going to pull it all the way out. And so there's that ridge. So this is how I do this. Now, again, these bolts are a certain type, goes in this side. So I do this all one at a time. So I make sure not to get something in the wrong side. So once I clean that bolt off, get some brake grease, and I just coat that bolt with the brake grease. Put it in there. It gets nice and coated there at the bottom. And if you push it in, it will pop back on the boot. Okay, so now let's do the other side. Again, we're going to pull the boot over so we can pull the pin out. And notice this pin looks different. It's got so again, that's why it's important to know which side you pull the pin out, which is why I do this one at a time. So I make sure I don't because you can definitely put the pins in the wrong side, and then that would be bad. And push it in. Okay. And then so you can see that those are working like they should. And then I do like to twist the bolts in there and clean off any little bit of grease will shoot or will come out the top. And so just want to make sure that that's all taken care of. So now that that's complete, the next step is to just go back to your brake job and put the caliper bracket back on, screw the caliper into it, and you should be good to go. That is it for all I wanted to talk about or show you the video on maintaining your caliper pins. If you'd like to see a full video of this brake job on this 2016 Mazda 6, please check out the link on the screen right now. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. Thanks.